Okay, good morning all. Today we will see the same topic that we had seen yesterday, that is types of sentence, exclamatory to assertive sentence part 2. So today we are going to see some exercises that we had not seen yesterday, but I think you all student might have understood all these things, but still we will try to I will try to make you people understand what are the things or what are the sentences there. What we had learned yesterday, we had learned that while interchanging or while transforming exclamatory sentence into an assertive sentence, at that time we must take subject first, then verb, then the words like very, great, and extremely. We should use a word out of these. Then we must use adjective or adverb. See, then we must use adjective or adverb. And last of all, we must use noun or pronoun. So our today's sentence is, what a rude man he is. So in this sentence, our subject is he. So we have taken he as our subject. Then there is our our auxiliary verb or verb. Then out of these words, very, great, and extremely, we will use very. Before that there is article, that's why we will use a. Then very, then rude, rude means uddat. What a rude man he is a very rude man. What a rude man he is. बघा काय केलं आपण, जेव्हा आपण एक्सक्लेमेटरी टू असर्टिव्ह सेंटेन्स करतो तेव्हा काय करायचं आहे, सर्वात अगोदर सब्जेक्ट घ्यायचा आहे जो वाक्यामध्ये दिसेल. आणि तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माहित आहे सब्जेक्ट कोणता असतो, तर नाउन किंवा प्रोनाउन. नाउन किंवा प्रोनाउन. नाउन म्हणजे कोणत्याही व्यक्तीचं नाव, किंवा प्रोनाउन म्हणजे आय, वी, यू, ही, सी, इट, दे. तर इथं आहे आपलं ही, म्हणून ते आपण आपल्या वाक्याचा सब्जेक्ट असल्यामुळे वाक्याच्या सुरुवातीला ही घेतलं. त्याच्यानंतर इथं दिल्याप्रमाणे वर्ब और ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब. सो our verb is here in this sentence. What a rude man he is. In this sentence our auxiliary verb is. That's why we have used is here. Then there is a the words like very, great, and extremely. Out of these words we have used very, right, before our adjective. So we have used a very, rude. And last of all, we have to use noun or pronoun, and that's why we have used man. Who is rude? That man is rude. That's why our sentence must be like this: he is a very rude man. So in this way we have to convert our sentence, exclamatory sentence. We have to convert our exclamatory sentence to assertive sentence. तर अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला एक्सक्लेमेटरी टू असर्टिव्ह करत असताना एवढ्या गोष्टीचं लक्ष ठेवायचं. सर्वात अगोदर सब्जेक्ट घ्यायचा, तो सब्जेक्ट असतो नाउन किंवा प्रोनाउन. इथं आपण ही घेतला. नंतर ऑक्झिलरी व्हर्ब घ्यायचं जे वाक्यामध्ये आहे ते ऑक्झिलरी व्हर्ब घेतलं. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला ऍडजेक्टिव्ह वापरायचा आहे, पण त्या ऍडजेक्टिव्ह वापरण्या अगोदर व्हेरी, ग्रेट किंवा एक्स्ट्रीमली असे जर शब्द असतील तर ते घ्यायचे. म्हणून इथं अ व्हेरी, तुमचा आर्टिकल तिथंच आहे, परंतु व्हेरी हा शब्द आपण यूज केला. rude वर एम्फसाइज करण्यासाठी, rude वर जोर देण्यासाठी, आणि नंतर ऍडजेक्टिव्ह rude वापरलं, आणि सर्वात शेवटी नाउन किंवा प्रोनाउन जे आपलं मॅन आहे तिथं कॉमन नाउन ते मॅन वापरलं. म्हणजे जे आपलं एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेन्स होतं, व्हॉट अ र्यूड मॅन ही इज, तिथं आपण काय केलं, तिथं आपण सिम्पली व्हॉट अ र्यूड मॅन ही इज, ही इज अ व्हेरी र्यूड मॅन, त्याचा आपण असर्टिव्ह सेंटेन्स केलं. सो लेट्स मूव्ह टुवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट सेंटेन्स. आवर नेक्स्ट सेंटेन्स इज हाऊ वेल सी डान्सेस. नाउ सी, here also what we can do, that we have to take our subject first, and our subject is C. Then we have to use verb, right? So what is the verb in our sentence? Dances. Dances is our verb, the verb of the sentence. So we will use dances, DANCES. She dances. Then once again we have to use very, great, and extremely. So we will use here very, right? She dances very, and the adjective or adverb is well. So we will put it at the end, and after that we have to put full stop there. So our sentence was how well she dances. The exclamatory sentence is how well she dances, and we have to make assertive sentence of exclamatory sentence. So what we have done, we have taken subject, that is she, first. After that we have taken as our formula verb, that is dances. Then we have used very, great, and extremely. Out of these words we have used very, and last of all we have used adjective or adverb at the end of the sentence. So our assertive sentence or our exclamatory sentence was how well she dances, and we have converted it in this way: she dances very well. So in this way we have converted that particular sentence. I hope that everyone getting it, understand. So we will move towards our next slide, next sentences. Then our next sentence is how interesting that was. See, once again we have simply, what we have to do, we have simply do, or we have simply convert that exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence, and we have simply take the verb and the noun, the subject, and that subject is, what is that subject in this sentence? That is our subject. Then we have to take auxiliary verb or verb, and was is our auxiliary verb, that was. Then we have to take very, extremely, or such type of words, and then we will take very, okay, out of those words. And at the last of the sentence we have to use our adjective. So that was very interesting. Our adjective is interesting, so we have used that adjective. So in this way we can convert exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. Our next sentence is how generous he is. So the answer of this question will be he is very generous. We have simply taken our subject first, then we have used is as our auxiliary verb, then we have used very, the word very, out of, very, great, and extremely. Then at the last of the sentence we have taken adjective, right? So in this way we can convert exclamatory sentence into an assertive sentence. Our next sentence is how expensive it was. How expensive it was. Can anyone tell me?
Thangu sir.
Yes, yes. Yes, Saurabh.
It was very expensive.
Abhijit, it was very
It was very expensive.
very good, very good.
Expensive.
It was very expensive. Our next sentence is what a pretty house. Can anybody tell me the answer of this question? This is little bit different type of question. Okay, so let me explain it first. So we have the sentence, we have an exclamatory sentence, that is what a pretty house. And when we write such type of a sentence, then there is a hidden subject, it is. Okay, there is a hidden subject, it is, right? So our sentence will be like this: it is.
It is a very pretty house.
Very good. It is a very pretty house. When subject and verb will not be there in our exclamatory sentence, then we should understand that our subject is it and verb is is. Please mute yourself. Please mute. See, so in this way, what a shot. If you may listen the commentary, you may hear the commentary of cricket, then you may heard the sound like what a shot. You may heard the sentence what a shot, what a great shot. So which great shot? Which great shot? It is when that shot was hit by some batsman, that shot is very great, right? So it is hidden already there. It is hidden already there. It is our subject and is our verb. So what will be the answer? It is a Saurabh. Unmute yourself.
It is a great shot.
It is a great shot.
Great shot.
Yesterday, Narayan might have asked me about very, great, extremely. So we cannot use here very. It is a very short. We cannot say like this. Or it is extremely short. We cannot say like this. Means according to our adjective, we have to arrange. We have to use the word out of extremely, great, very, etc. Okay, so it is a great shot. It is a great shot. Let me clear the things and we will move towards our next slide. Then our next slide, there are some sentences, how easily they forget. How easily they forget. What will be the answer? Can anyone answer the question? Anyone can? Yes, Narayan. Yes, anyone can tell.
Very easily.
Anyone can tell?
They forget very easily.
They forget very easily. Very good. They forget very easily. Right. They forget very easily, right? And after converting exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence, you have to put full stop here. Okay, then only your sentence will be a correct one. Okay, our next sentence is what a lovely garden she has. What a lovely garden she has. Can anyone answer?
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
He has a lovely garden.
She has a very lovely garden.
See, She has a lovely
She has
garden
a
and she
lovely
has
garden.
a very lovely
Lovely.
garden. Both
Very
of
lovely garden.
these sentences are right, but it will be better if you use very. Okay,
Very.
it will be better. Otherwise, both of the sentences will be correct. No issue. Then our next sentence is, what a pretty house my friend has bought. See, now in the previous slide, we had seen what a pretty house. Okay, but we have used here what a pretty house my friend has bought. Okay, can anyone tell?
My friend has bought very pretty house.
Right, my friend has bought a very
Very
pretty
pretty house.
house. Okay, then the next sentence is, how well she listens. How well he listens. What will be the answer? Anyone can try?
He
Very
listened
well.
very well.
He
He
listens.
listened very well.
He listens very well. See,
Very well.
he listens very well. So in this way, we can convert the exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. So let's move towards the next slide. And in the next slide, our first sentence is, how fast she ran. How fast she
She ran.
ran. It is ran, not run. So what will be the answer?
Ran.
What is the answer?
She ran very fast.
Very fast.
Very fast. How slow they crawl. How slow they crawl. Can anyone tell me?
They crawl very
They
slow.
crawl very slow.
Very good. They crawl very slow. How beautiful this city is. How beautiful this city is.
This city is very beautiful.
This city is very beautiful. What a lovely bouquet of flowers. What a see. Yes, right.
Flower is very beautiful.
What a lovely bouquet of flowers. What a lovely bouquet of flowers. What is the answer of this question?
It is a very lovely bouquet of flowers.
Right. It is not bouquet. It is bouquet. T is silent there.
Bouquet.
So it is a very lovely bouquet of flowers. It is a lovely bouquet of flowers. As I have told you in the earlier slide, that when there is no subject and verb in your sentence, so that verb and subject will be it is. Okay, so it is a very lovely bouquet of flowers. It is a very lovely bouquet of flowers, right? So in this way, we can convert our exclamatory sentence to assertive sentence. So in the last slide, we will see the example of this last slide, and after that we will discuss. This class will be open for discussion. Then I will listen. I will listen from your side. I will listen the difficulties of you, and will definitely try to solve those difficulties. So our next sentence is, how difficult question it is. How difficult question it is. Anyone can answer.
It is a very difficult
Very
question.
beautiful.
It is
Right.
a very difficult question.
Right. It is a very difficult question. Then next, our next sentence is, how gorgeous the dress is. How gorgeous the dress.
The dress is very
The
gorgeous.
dress is very gorgeous.
Very good. The dress is very gorgeous. The dress is gorgeous. You can write either of the sentence. No issue. What a boring day. What a boring day. What's the
A
answer?
very boring day.
It is
Yes,
The
Saurabh?
day very boring.
No.
a very boring day.
Something is missing there. It is a very boring day. It is a very boring day.
A very
जर
boring day.
It is
पहा,
a very boring day.
सी जर तुमच्या वाक्यामध्ये सब्जेक्ट आणि व्हर्ब नसेल तर सरळ सरळ सब्जेक्ट आणि व्हर्ब कोणता आहे? इट इज. त्याच्यामुळे त्या वाक्याची इट इज ने सुरुवात करायची. म्हणून इट इज अ व्हेरी बोरिंग डे. आवर नेक्स्ट सेंटेन्स इज, हाऊ फ्लुएंटली द लेडी टॉक्स इन इंग्लिश. Answer the question.
The lady,
सांगू
Yes, yes, Abhijit.
Lady.
the lady talks in English very fluently.
Very good. The lady talks in English very fluently, or the lady talks very fluently in English. Both of the sentences will be correct. Both of the sentences are correct. And the last sentence is, what a beautiful rose. What a beautiful rose. What is the
sir,
answer?
सांगू?
Yes, Saurabh?
It is a
It is a very beautiful.
It is very beautiful.
Right. It is a very beautiful rose. It is a beautiful rose. Okay. So I hope from all the students that you all have understood exclamatory sentence, the conversion of exclamatory sentence to assertive sentence. So now here I would like to stop this particular slideshow or video, and we will definitely discuss your queries. So I will stop here.